I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by clearing immediate blockers, confirm a stable network, and free up at least 200 MB so downloads can complete. Once done, restart your phone. This resets background locks and cache. Make sure your Google account is signed in and syncing, otherwise Play Store updates won't verify. Now open Settings Apps Google Play Store to proceed. This is where you'll force stop and clear cache, which removes transient errors and prepares the app for a clean update attempt. You'll now reset the core components that control updates. First, force stop the Play Store and clear cache. If the issue persists, clear storage to remove corrupted settings. Do the same for Google Play Services and Google Services Framework. These handle authentication and downloads, so clearing their cache fixes many failures. Once you've cleared these, reboot your device to reinitialize services. After reboot, open the Play Store, attempt the update, and accept any permission prompts so the store. If basic resets don't work, uninstall Play Store updates to return it to factory version, then update again. This refreshes the app's installer. Alternatively, sideload the correct Google Play Services APK for your Android version, but match ABI and release channel. If you suspect server-side or regional blocks, try a different Wi-Fi or a VPN briefly. If all else fails, remove and re-add your Google account after backing up data. This rebuilds account tokens that often resolve persistent authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.